We need that pallet cleared for dispatch now.
Copy that. Moving it to lane 3.
Affirmative. Bay 4 is secure. Proceed with the next pallet.
We're moving the ketchup pallets to the main floor now.
All right, keep them coming. Look at all the choices. Which one do you want? That big one right there. The efficiency graphs are spiking right here.
We should reroute power to the heat recovery units immediately.
Check the pressure on line 3. We have an amber alert.
I see it. Rerouting the flow now.
Check the pressure on gauge 4.
Reading steady at 2 bar, all systems green here.
Sensor looks good. Data is stable.
Guard is secure here too. All systems green.
The sanitation logs look impeccable, well within the target metrics.
Yes, the new system has significantly improved our adherence to the protocols.
Tag 4B scanned, cross-referencing against the maintenance log now.
Looks compliant. The sterilization cycle is holding steady.
This diagram highlights the flow rate optimization for the new bottling line. Pay close attention to the pressure valves here.
Okay, press this green button here. Wait for the confirmation beep, then activate the auxiliary switch. Look at the data visualization here. The consistency is improving.
We should run the pilot plant trial this afternoon.
Line 3 is running at full capacity.
Confirmed. Sending the next batch to packaging.
The viscosity readings on batch 7 look promising.
Yes, the sugar content is stabilizing earlier than expected.
The Q3 sales maps show a clear increase in the Midwest, likely due to the recent campaign.
Yes, the social media sentiment
The customer feedback clearly shows their Sentiment score jumped after the update.
That aligns with these. Based on these positioning charts, the premium segment is wide open.
And the new bottle design fits that strategy perfectly.
The digital campaign needs to reflect this energy.
Absolutely, we push the bold red theme across all platforms.
And the packaging has to match that premium feel.
Let's take that in real slow on the dolly. And can we get a little more condensation on the hero bottle?
Yes, that's beautiful. Let's hold that. Okay, let's hit that rotation. I want the light hitting the rim right there. And camera, give me those flares.
The engagement on the TikTok campaign is spiking.
Look at the shares on this one.
It's trending globally.
We need to verify the latest EU food safety certificates for this shipment before approval.
I have the approved documentation right here.
The Q3 forecasts mean we must adjust the shelf placement strategy. We project a 15% increase with the new layout.
The new layout is ready to go.
Looks perfect, exactly as planned.
Look at the engagement metrics for the Brazilian campaign here.
The localized visuals are clearly resonating.
Yes, the graph confirms it.
We should...
From the street to the family table and everywhere in between, our flavor connects us all.
We have a bottleneck in week 32, according to the production calendar. We should leverage the inventory buffer now.
The projected peak demand for Q3 requires immediate stock level adjustments.
Yes, we need to increase the output capacity now to mitigate the risk.
We need to isolate that batch immediately. The supermarkets are already pulling the Red Mountain variety.
According to the map, it's localized to the southwest region.
The alerts are going out now.
Confirmed. Divert all inbound shipments until further notice.
The Q3 footprint reduction is impressive, but look at the water metrics here.
The new filtration system made a huge difference. I'll update the ESG scorecard.
The sustainability metrics for Q4 look excellent.
Yes, the packaging initiative reduced waste by 20%.
We are committed to full transparency, which is why we are providing this live update to ensure all our stakeholders are fully informed.
As we review the performance highlights and our sustainability achievements, it's clear our roadmap for the future is strong and built on trust.
As you can see, the growth charts are up 20% and supply reliability is at 90th%.
Excellent work. I think we have a deal.
The data clearly shows a 40% growth in the next quarter.
We are happy to finalize the agreement.
With these new seeds, you can expect a 20% higher yield.
That will make a real difference to our families.
We are very grateful for the support.
This method will help maintain the soil's nutrients naturally.
Looking at the plan, we can achieve our goals by next month.
We did it!
The 5-year roadmap hinges on this automation upgrade.
The AI-driven lines are essential, but we must finalize the sustainable sourcing.
The current OEE is hitting 92% on line 3. Yeah.
That's better than projected for this quarter.
The pineapple-infused variant is spiking in the Southeast Asia cluster.
Cross-reference that with the logistics data for Q3.
Look at this vintage packaging from the 30s. It's amazing how the design evolved.
And now we're leading the way with the smart factory models right here.
Notion. This visualization highlights the extensive reach of our supply chain, delivering a
Here are the meal packages for your family.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
bringing us closer, bite by bite, the taste of a united future.